So, this is a love reading for you, Gemini, for December to January, where I'm going to take out cards for you and your love interest. It could be your partner, it could be your spouse, someone you're dating, you think of, maybe it is your ex. So, this is a general reading. What energies are getting picked, I don't know, and there may be something that resonates with you, or quite a lot that resonates with you in this general reading. So, if you want a personal reading, you can write to me, and till then, you can enjoy the general reading. So, let us see how's this heart shape spread. Also, you want to read my December newsletter. So, who are you in the relationship? Gemini, who's your partner? What is the strength and challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? What is the past you both are coming from? And how's overall the reading for the guidance for the love reading? You both are very alike, and it's very nice to see these cards that how similar the two people can be. But I'm also seeing is that Gemini, you're not going through the best phase of your life regarding money. There is some money problem, or you feel that you don't have enough to spend money. But your partner lives a very good life despite the money. He or she believes that without the money also it is a very good life, but he or she does have a lot of money also. So I'm just saying that you are mostly not happy about how money situation is not working, or money situation can be better. But your partner, even though he or she is very well to do and has a money situation also which is very robust, doesn't necessarily think around money all the time. But you see, the two of you are very similar. You both believe in having a good, luxurious, happy, comfortable life, but somehow money situation seems to be affecting you or bothering you this month for whatever reason. Also, I'm seeing that you may not be as fashionable as your partner is. So, some of you Gemini, your partner may be telling you a lot of times that you can buy, maybe you can buy cheap, or you can buy from the street and look like a goddess, or look like a, Greek prince or something. But you seem to feel that no, for a good fashion or good personality or good dress up, you need to have very expensive clothes. So, this is some kind of a conversation I'm seeing the two of you are having. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? So the two of you don't really express each other, the love for each other, but I'm seeing the two of you are quite tuned in. You see, you are looking at your partner, but your partner is a little bit distracted. So you are quite convinced about this union, and you have told a lot of people about it, Gemini. I'm seeing that you have told your family, you have told your friends about this partner and how you are smitten, and you want to make it something very strong and solid for the future. And this you may not have expressed to your partner just yet, how strongly you feel about your partner. Some of you Gemini may not have told just yet to your partner. Your partner is quite crafty. While he or she has very rich taste, has all the luxuries, money, and fashion about them, he or she can be very street smart and crafty. I'm seeing that your partner doesn't tell you a lot of things or a lot of plans that are underway. He or she likes to just smooth talk and get away. So it's just how your partner is. He or she may not be cheating on you, may not be lying to you, but is just a smooth talker and is very crafty. He or she doesn't let in their plans very quickly. Now, how do you see your partner and how does your partner see you? You very rightly see your partner as someone who likes to work without any interference, and he or she does not entertain many people about their work situation, or how they plan to go about building some assets or spending their money. You see your partner as someone who likes to keep secrets or like to keep things to themselves. Your partner sees that you don't speak up whenever there is some conflict or something that starts bothering you. So your partner feels that, Gemini, if something is bothering you, there is lot of time that goes into a silent treatment, or the two of you just go silent. More so you go silent, Gemini, instead of fighting or understanding why your partner is doing what he or she is doing. You choose silence lot of times, and that's how your partner is saying that your only way to resolve any fight is to just choose silence. Now, what is the hope or fear the two of you have about the future together? Your partner is very convinced about you. With the sun, I'm seeing that your partner is very convinced about you. He or she definitely wants to have a family, raise a family or a child with you. And your partner also wants to go traveling with you, Gemini. So, while here I saw you are very convinced and you're telling how great your partner is, your partner is also very convinced about the future, wants to travel with you, raise a family with you. Very, very positive, brilliant energy that I'm seeing here. You see certain, about the future, you feel certain things need to be ironed out. It's quite possible, Gemini, sometimes you feel your partner is controlling, or just how the situation is, your partner doesn't let in things or doesn't tell you everything. I'm also seeing this is coming from your partner choosing certain crafty style, or street smartness in doing things, or just telling some stories sometimes for whatever reason. And that seems to concern you about the future, because I'm seeing here is that you feel if your partner were little bit more free about discussing the future or things together, you could tackle this certain obstacle or difficulties in the relationship easily. So you are feeling that your partner doesn't really open up, and he or she may be keeping some secrets or hiding some things. So you're feeling still that love energy is not yet unlocked. You feel there's still more love to come. The two of you will get even more close. So this is how you feel, Gemini, about you and your partner. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You may have pursued your partner, Gemini, as I see it, and you were relentless, and you believed that you are going to definitely have this partner, and you got it, because in the past energy I'm seeing is someone who's made a proposal and you were quite successful. So you've done very well for yourself, and looks like your partner is quite happy as well here. When I look at the guidance in the past, I'm seeing a bit of a fight. It's quite possible he or she is not very social most of the time, and there may be a lot of fights that you've had together. So in the past, I'm seeing there's a lot of fights that's happened between the two of you. So how's overall the guidance for the reading? When I look at this guidance, it's just telling me there's definitely a long term coming along. I do see something very religious, something very about the order that is happening. So things will materialize, and there are things very promising looking for the two of you. So it's a lot of promise, lot of togetherness, and very conventional wedding, if at all it as and when it happens. So very conventional way things will happen. So this is how the reading is for you, Gemini, for the month of December to January.